Hello, everyone. My name is Francis Samuel Akwabin, and in this video, I'll be presenting my course project for Unit 8. The focus of my project is on how I use artificial intelligence to help identify the phases, subphases, and artifacts that are associated with software implementation. My goal is to not just show you what I found, but also to demonstrate how AI can be used as a learning and decision-making tool in project management and information systems. By the end of this presentation, you'll see how AI supported my research and how it connected directly to the project's deliverables. The first phase of software implementation is requirements analysis. So using AI, I was able to quickly generate a structured list of activities like gathering user needs, interviewing stakeholders, and documenting business requirements. The AI also highlighted key aspects, including a requirement specification document and a stakeholder analysis report. This really streamlined the process for me because AI could summarize best practices and ensure I didn't miss critical elements. It's an example of how AI serves as a knowledge assistant. It provided clarity and helped me confirm that my requirements matched industry standards. The next major phase is system design. So here AI helped me break this down into logical subphases such as high level design, detailed design, and interface design. And these artifacts in the phases included design documents, data models, and architecture diagrams. What I found useful was that AI didn't just list these, it didn't just give me a list, but it explained the purpose behind each one. For example, an architecture diagram isn't just a drawing. Mhm. It's a communication tool for developers, testers, and project sponsors. That kind of explanation makes it easier to connect the technical side with the business side of systems. The third phase is development, which we prefer calling coding sometimes. AI helped me map out the activities here, like writing code, performing code reviews, and integrating models, because this was actually very new to me. This is actually very new to me because I've never done anything like coding, and doing this with AI was kind of fun. It was a little bit confusing, but it was fun because I always had to ask AI to explain, and AI did explain along the way. So it was fun. The artifacts include source code repositories, configuration files, and version control documentation. What AI showed me was how important documentation is an artifact. Without it, even well-written code can create confusion for future developers. So this was a great reminder that building systems is much about clarity and maintainability, and it's about writing functional code. The testing phase, which is the next phase, the fourth phase, is one where AI really provided depth because it helped me outline subphases like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Each of these had artifacts like test plans, test scripts, test cases, and defect logs. The AI explained how each type of testing contributes to reducing risks. For example, unit tests ensure small pieces work, while user acceptance testing ensures the system meets real world needs. Having AI generate structured explanations kind of allowed me to quickly see the connection between activities and artifacts in a way that was easy to teach others. The fifth phase, which is the deployment phase, involves rolling out the system into a live environment. So with AI, I was able to identify deployment activities like preparing training, configuring the production environment, and executing the development plan. The artifacts here include deployment guides, training materials, and a rollback plan. AI emphasized the importance of rollback planning, something I might have overlooked. You see, and it's basically your backup in case things do go wrong. So yeah, that insight shows how AI can help students and managers think through risks more comprehensively. And finally, the maintenance and support phase. Here, AI identified activities like monitoring performance, applying patches, and handling user support tickets. Artifacts include maintenance logs, help desk reports, and updated user manuals. AI also stressed that this phase is often the longest in the system's lifecycle, which helped me see why good documentation and ongoing support processes are critical. Maintenance, isn't just about fixing bugs. It's about ensuring that the system continues to deliver value. In conclusion, using AI in my projects really enhanced my ability to identify the activities, surfaces, and artifacts across the software implementation lifecycle. It made the process it made the process faster and more organized and more insightful, and it was actually entertaining. I think the biggest takeaway is that AI isn't a replacement for understanding. It's a supplement that gives you frameworks, best practices, and explanation that help you build stronger knowledge. For future projects, I plan to continue using AI as a tool for brainstorming, validating ideas, and making sure I don't overlook critical components. Thank you for watching my presentation, and this was a wonderful class, and I do hope you did learn something. Have a good day. Bye.